My name is Amadeus, and today's video is a little bit different because today I'm going to teach you how you can create an orgasm that she will never forget. And with that, if you aren't ready to get a woman in your bed sheets, then watch the other videos and click the link down below, join my course, and become ready. With that, let's get right into it. And with point one, getting in the mood. This is really, really important because I cannot dry hump something that can squirt at the end. You can imagine it like a water balloon. You can put just as much water as you want in it, but you can never make it pop when it's empty. You need to have foreplay. You need to stimulate her. You need to make her want it. And best of all, you need her to be confident as well. At least comfortable. She doesn't need to be confident, it's comfortable. Now, how you can do that? Pretty simple. Make some nice red lights. Just do something, please her, make her compliments, tell her how good she looks. Start hitting her G-spots while fingering her. If you don't know how to hit the G-spots, that's pretty simple. So let's just imagine this is her vagina. This, you go up here, and on the inside up like 12 or 1 o'clock is the G-spot. And when you stimulate her regularly at the same pace over and over and over again, you will build up the pressure and she eventually will come or squirt. This is different on any type of woman. Some women aren't able to squirt physically, others can shoot you in the fucking face. This is how it is. Second, you need to make her comfortable. And this is really, really important because a woman who doesn't want to be there right now feels comfortable, feels discomfortable, and also makes an absolute stress about her is absolutely the worst thing you can have. Because it's your job right now, you're the man or the second woman. You're the job right now to tell her she tastes good, she smells amazing, she looks beautiful. If she moans, which you probably should when you do it right, that makes beautiful sounds. And of course, you shouldn't take it like a casual talking state. You should say like sexy. But I'm not going to say that because I don't want to embarrass myself even more in front of the internet. However, if you are on the right place, right time, make it comfortable. The second tip, the third tip, put a pillow beneath her lower back and put pressure on her stomach. This is like the same example with the balloon. You have the balloon right here and you squeeze it a lot more on the one side and you squeeze it from the other side. Push it in and squeeze it from the other side. It will pop more easily and it will come out more faster, and which also means better orgasm for your woman. Number four, and this is also really, really important. We might not be able to squirt at first. It's totally normal that your woman can't come and explode on your face or whatever after the first time you have sex or the second time you have sex. He still feels embarrassed a bit. He still is nervous about it. That's a good thing. Because if she's bored, then she will also don't come. And an additional tip that I want to give you is you need to be able to lick her. Because fingering is nice, but if you can do both at the same time, my man, you just got yourself a woman who can't get enough of you. Do this right, she will eventually be so much in love with you and wants you so much that she will drive almost 700 kilometers just for you. And I can tell from experience. With that, if you need any more help getting women in the sheets, being able to be interesting for women, start being good looking, then I have a course exactly on that. Peace out and see you in the next one.